What's going on, you guys? This is Max Kid here, another HP Compaq Elite 8300. This is the small form factor, the teardown. So you're gonna remove the side cover panel. First I'm gonna do is remove the front cover basil. So it's got a little clips over here. You lift them up. So basically I repainted the, see, it was a silver, but I painted black. So it looks a lot better. So both from 8300 or 8200 small form factor, using the same front cover basil, you can get that repainted if you want. So what I'm going to do is remove the optical drive. You disconnect the SATA power cable. So I'm going to lift up the power supply and disconnect. It's got a 6-pin and a 4-pin for the CPU power, and lifts up like this. Our hard drive, disconnect the SATA power cable. A little clip, you press it down like this with your finger, slides to the right. Just going to use a Torx T15 screwdriver. Remove the SATA cables. I'm going to remove the RAM. You're going to select the front panel, the USB audio, internal speaker in the corner. Remove the PCI brackets. They're low profile. I'll remove the fan shroud. It'll lift it up like this. And it's connected right here. Another one right here, plus where the rear, where the fan is. You're gonna, it's got a clips in here, so you're gonna go like this. And it comes out. So you're going to press on the clip over here like this and the bottom like that, so it comes out on the left side. It's a 92 millimeter. I'm going to remove the heat sink, the CPU cooler. I'm going to remove the CPU, you guys can see better. I'll zoom in. So you're going to do like here, there's a little clip on like this, and just remove this CPU, it comes right out. So now I'm going to try to, guys, remove the motherboard. So what I will do is I'm going to start off from the bottom. So there are screws, look like 1, 2, 3 screws on the bottom. And it looks like 3 on the top and 1 in the middle. Have to go the other side. And there are two here in the middle you have to remove. So here's the motherboard. You remove the CMOS battery. And so what I'll do is I'll remove the front, be the last part. Looks like, let me see if we've got a got a one screw here, it looks like. Have to remove. And internal speaker, it's held by the two screws. The one here looks like in the corner. There's internal speaker. So guys, this will be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.